The only reason I was intrigued in it was because I'm using hardwood edge banding and it's maple, so I was like, oh, it might just match a little better. But
Oh yeah. All right, fair enough.
Whatever. So he's like, oh, it's gonna be like double the price. I'm like, forget it. I'll go with just the import birch. Well, I used this import birch when I did my whole miter saw station thing.
Okay.
So I don't know. It was a boatload of sheets, right?
Yeah.
Like 15 sheets or something. I don't know. Gonna pick up some more. I got a Ranger as the truck.
What's the weight capacity of a Ranger?
That's like 2,000 pounds in the bed or something.
Oh, that's pretty good. Okay.
That's not bad. So for anybody who doesn't know, with smaller pickup trucks like a Ranger, a Tacoma, Colorado, anything like that, to fit plywood in the back, it doesn't fit between the wheel wells.
Yeah, you're up on top, right?
So you're up on top. So I had to I had to go get some 2x8s at Home Depot and jerry rig this little
I didn't think about that because if you're transporting rough ply, big deal. You put it on the wheel wells, the bottom sheet's going to get a little messed up, but it's rough ply, so who cares? If you're transporting pre-finished and you have the weight of 20 sheets pressing down on those wheel wells where it's a small contact patch, that bottom sheet is going to get messed up pretty good.
Oh, toast.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I never thought about that.
And you can't just set it in and kind of lean it on the tailgate because that's way too much. You can only supposed to put a few 100 pounds on the tailgate or whatever.
Sorry to interrupt.
No.
I have wanted a truck for a long time. This used to happen to me all the time. No company will say what the tailgate is rated for.
I
just want them to say, it's good for 400 pounds. It's good for 500 pounds. Don't exceed that.
Yeah.
Because I was always left guessing. And a lot of the time, when I was doing the home construction stuff, I stacked 20 sheets of plywood on the tailgate and be like, I hope it makes it.
Right, because it's easier to do that than wrap a bajillion straps around it, laying the tailgate flat, hoping it doesn't come off.
Or, God forbid, take multiple trips.
Oh, yeah, you're not doing that. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, or what if you and your buddies are out tailgating something and you both weigh about 200 pounds or so? Is that too much on the tailgate?
Sure.
History would show no.
But it'd be nice to know what is the rating, and none of them will tell you.
I think it probably has to do with okay, you got a sheet of plywood or whatever. 3/4 of the weight is in the bed, and only 1/4 of the weight is on the tailgate itself.
Yeah.
It's kind of like the weight distribution, but
that's fancy math that I don't trust myself to do.
No, it's been too long for me to do that. But so I got him okay, I'm picking up tons of plywood. I got to jerry rig this whole thing.
I mean, you're essentially making you're raising the bed up so that it's more or less flush with those wheel wells.
Kind of like a tic-tac-toe board, if you will.
Tic-tac-toe board.
Is basically what I did. So
I see what you're saying.
I have full, weight dispersion across the whole bed and stuff like that.
Okay, gotcha.
Because picking up 20 sheets of plywood is well over 1,000 pounds. I'm like, I got this all situated. I drive down there or whatever, and they're like, "Hey, your order's ready." I'm like, "Sweet." They're like, "All right, pull into the warehouse." And this is as warehouse as you can get. There's no lights.
Yeah. Oh, really?
It's just oh no.
Can you drive your truck right into the warehouse?
Yeah, you drive up a loading ramp.
Okay.
So then the guy's like, "All right, did you get your paperwork or whatever?" I'm like, "Yeah." And he's like, "All right, let me go pick your order." I'm like, "What you told me my order was ready." So they bring over pallets and we're one by one putting in the truck and everything like that. But here's we got to get it all home and whatnot. Dude, they did something different. This plywood is about twice as dense as what I had gotten before. Good problem to have, right?
Yeah, totally.
But in a roundabout way where I was going with this is, dude, handling 4x8 sheets of plywood I weighed it. It was 90 pounds.
Ooh, wow. Well, you know what you need.
That is effing heavy.
You know what you need.
I need the Grabo, dude.
That Grabo, yeah.
You don't know how many times I kept pulling it up on Amazon. Was like, oh, it'll be here tomorrow. It'll be here tomorrow. I didn't get it though. I should have.